Hello everybody, I'm Kyo Junita and welcome to Phnom Penh, the vibrant heart of Cambodia. If you're planning your first visit, here are the top 10 hotels for a stylish, comfortable stay. Let's dive in. We're kicking things off, embarking on a journey to experience the pinnacle of luxury and sophistication. Prepare to be captivated by the Rosewood Phnom Penh, a beacon of elegance in the heart of Cambodia. At the Rosewood Phnom Penh, where impeccable service and stunning design converge to create an unforgettable stay. From the moment you step into the grand lobby, you'll be enveloped in an atmosphere of refined opulence. Perched atop the Wat Phnom Capital Tower, this architectural marvel offers unparalleled views of the city, allowing you to survey the vibrant landscape from a breathtaking vantage point. Floor-to-ceiling windows, framing the sprawling cityscape and inviting natural light to flood the exquisitely appointed rooms. Sleek design, with every detail meticulously crafted to create a harmonious blend of comfort and style. The interiors are a testament to modern elegance, showcasing a sophisticated aesthetic that is both inviting and inspiring. And jaw-dropping views of the Mekong, a majestic river that winds its way through the heart of Phnom Penh, offering a mesmerizing spectacle of natural beauty. This is luxury at its finest. Indulge in the lavish amenities, personalized service, and unparalleled comfort that define the Rosewood experience. Wake up to sunrise over the city, painting the sky with vibrant hues and casting a golden glow over the urban landscape. It's a truly magical way to begin your day. Unwind in your sky-high oasis, a sanctuary of tranquility where you can escape the hustle and bustle of the city below. And start your trip in style, with the Rosewood Phnom Penh as your gateway to an unforgettable Cambodian adventure. Now let's step back in time and immerse ourselves in an era of grandeur and sophistication. We're about to explore a place where history whispers from every corner, a true testament to timeless elegance. Welcome to Raffles Hotel Le Royale, an iconic landmark that stands as a beacon of luxury and heritage in the heart of Phnom Penh. This is more than just a hotel. It's a colonial icon that has graced the city since 1929, a living testament to a bygone era of opulence and charm. As you wander through its elegant archways, you'll be transported to a world of refined beauty and architectural splendor. The hotel is surrounded by lush gardens, a tranquil oasis where vibrant flora and meticulously manicured landscapes create a serene escape from the bustling city. Everywhere you look, you'll find timeless charm. From the classic decor to the impeccable service, every detail exudes an air of sophistication and grace. This is where legends like Jacqueline Kennedy stayed, adding to the hotel's rich tapestry of history and intrigue. Imagine walking the same halls as royalty and dignitaries. Start your day with a delightful breakfast in a sunlit dining room where culinary delights and impeccable service await. Take a moment to soak up the old-world ambiance, where the gentle whir of ceiling fans and the soft murmur of conversation create an atmosphere of timeless elegance. It's not just a luxury hotel, it's an experience, a journey into a world of unparalleled comfort and sophistication. Raffles Hotel Le Royale is both a luxury hotel and a living history lesson, offering a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in the rich heritage of Phnom Penh. Palace Gate Hotel puts you right next to the Royal Palace, literally. Enjoy boutique comfort, a rooftop pool with palace views, and easy access to Phnom Penh's top sites. Welcome to the Hyatt Regency Phnom Penh, a beacon of modern hospitality in the heart of Cambodia's vibrant capital. This hotel isn't just a place to stay, it's an experience, a carefully curated blend of contemporary luxury and historical charm. From the moment you arrive, you'll be enveloped in an atmosphere of sophisticated elegance and impeccable service. The Hyatt Regency Phnom Penh seamlessly blends a beautifully restored colonial villa, a testament to Cambodia's rich architectural heritage. This historic building serves as a stunning centerpiece, a reminder of the city's past, carefully integrated into the modern design. This architectural fusion continues inside, where the hotel embraces modern luxury in the city center. The lobby is a grand statement, a welcoming space filled with natural light and contemporary art, setting the stage for an unforgettable stay. Every detail has been considered to provide the utmost comfort and convenience. As the sun sets, ascend to the 5-5 rooftop bar, where you can sip expertly crafted cocktails while enjoying panoramic views of the Phnom Penh skyline. The vibrant atmosphere and stunning backdrop make it the perfect place to unwind and socialize. For ultimate relaxation, escape to the Jiva Pita Spa, a sanctuary of tranquility where skilled therapists offer a range of rejuvenating treatments. Indulge in a massage, facial, or body wrap, and emerge feeling refreshed and revitalized. Throughout the hotel, you'll discover international flair thoughtfully intertwined with local soul. Cambodian art installations and cultural decor add a unique touch, celebrating the country's rich artistic traditions. It's sophisticated, reliable, a place where you can expect the highest standards of service and attention to detail. And it's perfect for unwinding after a day exploring the city's temples, markets, and historical sites. The Hyatt Regency Phnom Penh offers a seamless blend of luxury, culture, and relaxation, making it the ideal base for your Cambodian adventure. The Aquarius Hotel's rooftop infinity pool is an Instagram dream swim above the city skyline. Artistic decor, a fun vibe, and a central location make this urban resort a favorite for energetic travelers. It's stylish, quirky, and full of personality. Step into the Pavilion Hotel and discover a tranquil, adults-only oasis hidden in the city. Historic villas, lush gardens, and 2 serene pools create the perfect romantic or peaceful escape. It's pure bliss after a busy day exploring Phnom Penh. Penthouse Hotel beautifully blends modern design with traditional Cambodian touches. Enjoy rooftop views, local culture, and a location steps from Wat Phnom and vibrant neighborhood life. Okay, Boutique Hotel proves you don't need to splurge for style. Think Khmer decor, friendly staff, and a rooftop pool. It's authentic, budget-friendly, and packed with heart. Perfect for first-timers who want value and comfort. Plantation Urban Resort and Spa is a lush retreat just behind the Royal Palace. Lounge by the pool, admire local art, and recharge in a peaceful, chic setting. It's a true urban escape. Sun and Moon Urban Hotel is all about energy. Bold design, a buzzing rooftop bar, and a lively crowd. Dive into the infinity pool, enjoy city views, and make new friends in Phnom Penh's trendiest spot. For a fun, unforgettable stay, this is the place. There you have it. 10 amazing hotels, each offering a unique Phnom Penh experience. Pick your favorite, pack your bags, and start your Cambodia adventure in comfort. Book your stay today.